Hello, in this video we are going to talk and taught you about the Argentine legal system. Come on, let's go.
To start with, when we talk about law, we have two different meanings. The first one's the rules the society lives by, and the second one, the human rights. And there are two general types of law, the positive law and the natural law. The positive law is a system of legal rules of a particular country in a certain time and moment of that country. And the natural law are our impulses. And what I mean when our impulses is that people do things because they want, but if we know that impulses are wrong, we will be going against natural law. For example, robbing, we know we can't do it, but if we have the impulse and we do it, we will be going against our natural law.
Well, the positive law is divided into two main branches, the private law and the public law. The public law is divided into internal and external law, which internal about criminal and constitutional law, and external in public international law. And then there is the private law, which is divided into internal law, private international law, and external law, labor law, commercial law, and civil law.
Legal systems are divided into two different branches, common law and civil law. Common law, on the one hand, is mainly used on English-speaking countries as the US, while civil law, on the other hand, is mainly used on countries as Argentina that do not speak English. You know that there are two types of legal systems. Let's get deeper into them though. Common law, on the one hand, it's mainly based on jurisprudence. This means that they look into older cases and older resolutions, and they take them into present cases just to solve them. But this is not the only method of solution. This type of cases can also take into account actual law, doctrine, and customs. Civil law, on the other hand, takes care as a main source for what the law says. This means that the Constitution, jurisprudence, and even customs are taken into account for resolutions of this type of law. But the main source is the law itself.
Steps of law. The first step is to find in the sources of law what it says about the case that is being treated about. The second step is to find similar cases about the past and to see how these ones were solved. The third one is the costumes, and it depends on his habits, his patterns, and his behaviors. And the fourth one is the doctrine, that it means to look for an expert and professional lawyer and to talk with that lawyer and to see how you can solve the case.